Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over South Tower, moving north at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include South Tower, V Tower, and O Tower. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.